to hide your TikTok account from your contacts. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your TikTok account from your contacts. In order to do so, first of all, open your TikTok application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here now you will need to tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, this will take you to your profile page. Here you'll be able to locate the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Simply tap on it and at the bottom you'll be able to see this pop-up. From here you will need to select Settings and Privacy option. Once you select it, this will take you to the Settings and Privacy page. Now here you will need to locate the privacy option which you can find in this account section. Simply tap on it and now inside it look for Suggest your account to others section. Once you find it, simply tap on it to open it and finally here you'll be able to see the contacts option. Now check if this is toggled on or not. If yes, you will need to switch it off in order to hide your TikTok account from your contacts. Simply tap on the toggle button at the right side and then switch it off. Now this will prevent TikTok from suggesting your account to people in your contact list. Also, if you want to disable suggestions based on Facebook friends or other options available in this section, then you can simply tap on the toggle button at the right side of each of them and switch them off. This will maintain more privacy. After turning off these settings, your TikTok account will not be suggested to anyone who has your phone number saved in their contacts. So by following these steps, you should be able to hide your TikTok account from your contacts. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.